Hello fellow makeup lovers, how are you guys doing? Today I have a haul for y'all, but it is not a typical haul that you would see on my channel. I really focus on makeup on my channel, but I also have just over time really fallen in love with supporting small brands, and it started off as just makeup and has slowly become me wanting to add more and more into my life that is from small brands, and to just support huge corporations the least amount that I possibly can. I do want to say before we get into anything that I never want anyone to feel shame or guilt if you do buy from big brands. I know a lot of times it's cheaper, it's more accessible, sometimes it's more inclusive, whether that be shade range, size range, so I never want anyone to feel bad. But if you do have that option, if it is accessible to you, I think supporting small businesses can be really great. So this video is slightly inspired by Sierra Schulze because I really like her content focused around small brands, and I purchased a few of these things because of her, which I'll mention as we go through. But basically I just have honestly such a hodgepodge of stuff. I've got some jewelry, I've got a purse, scrunchies, nail polish. So let's go ahead and start off with the nail polishes because they are absolutely stunning. So I went ahead and picked up 4 different polishes from the indie brand Polished for Days. I've really wanted to get into indie polishes. I get asked about this all the time and I'm like, I'm sorry, I'm not that knowledgeable about that side of indie beauty, but I'm ready to dig in, and I think I chose an amazing brand to start off with. When I went to their website, this shade right here called 2021 was the first thing I saw. I just looked at the picture and I was like, you know what? I need to buy that immediately. Like, I'm definitely making an order. This shade sold me. So it's actually what I'm wearing right now, and I'll insert some videos of what this looks like in different lighting because you can only sort of see right now. You can see like the blue, a little bit of green, you can see the pink, but it also has a golden shift, and it literally looks like a rainbow on the nails. It is one of the prettiest polishes I've ever seen, ever worn. Just so beautiful. If you're looking for an amazing multi-chrome shade, I cannot say enough. I haven't worn it that long, so I'm curious to see how it wears, but I just think that color-wise it is stunning. And I actually purchased these because of Legally Black Beauty on Instagram. Day, if you don't follow her, you're missing out. She has a ton of polish recommendations. I was a little overwhelmed. This was the first one that I saw, and when I went to their website, I saw the pictures and I was like, you know what, sold. So I also went ahead and grabbed this shade right here, which is called Snowdrop, and this one looks a lot more like glittery, but it is super beautiful. Again, looks like a multi-chrome. There's like deep indigo, purple, green, like just, oh, so pretty. And then there is the shade Cloudburst, which this one has like green, blue, pink. And then lastly, I got the shade 999, which is a little bit lighter, but it's like it almost looks like an even more pastel version of this shade. Just super pretty. I think that's gonna be so cute for spring. These polishes are just so beautiful. I definitely wanna order more, even though I shouldn't because I already have so many polishes. So the next brand I wanna talk about is called Classy Network. I have their little card here, and it actually says you can use TY25 for 25% off your next purchase if you guys are interested in anything at all. And it looks like they have some different accessories, but I was here for their tops. The owner, I believe her name is Natalie Rogers, and she went viral on TikTok and talked about why she designed her tops, and I just thought it was pretty genius. Basically, she makes tops that have the bras built in, so I went ahead and purchased 2. So this is like a high neck crop top, and what I thought was brilliant about this and having the bra built in is that normally with something like this, if you wear straps, they show on the sides. Sometimes if it goes lower, the strapless bra will show, or strapless bras just aren't that comfortable. So I thought it sounded like a really good idea. So I went ahead and picked up the crop, but they also have a full version as well of the same exact thing. And then they have the bodysuit version, which I went ahead and purchased as well, which is what I was mostly excited about because I love bodysuits because they're so easy. But again, sometimes bras, either they show through or the straps show, or I don't know, I just really like the idea of having a bodysuit where it's like one and done and throw jeans on and you have a cute little outfit. It's such a simple, easy piece to wear. I'm literally wearing a bodysuit right now as well, although it's not tucked in because I'm at home and I'm wearing pajama pants. But anyways, so here's what this one looks like. Again, it has the bra built in. And it is a thong back, which is personally what I prefer because I don't really like panty lines. So I went ahead and purchased the size small in both of these because in one of the reels the owner talked about that they were really stretchy and that she downsized. And I decided to downsize as well because normally I would go for a medium, and I'm really glad that I didn't because this fits pretty perfect. And I feel like the boobs, if they were any bigger, that it wouldn't fit very well. And they do have very inclusive marketing, and they have pictures of people wearing their tops in all different sizes. But I feel like it's different seeing a picture versus like actually wearing it and having to move around and feeling comfortable. So the crop top I don't love as much because it feels less secure than the bodysuit. I almost wonder if I could, for my body, it might get messed up in the wash, but to actually like sew the padding in where I need it to go, because I just feel like they move around a little bit too much. Again, I think it's a really great idea. I think I'm gonna buy the bodysuit in the other two shades when they come back in stock in my size, but fair warning, I'm not sure how big boob friendly these are. So next, let's do some jewelry that I was so excited about because I've wanted to buy from this brand many times, and they're just so highly sought after that when they do their restocks, things sell out in seconds. The brand is called Clay and Rain, and they literally make the most beautiful earrings. It's ridiculous. They show their clay slabs, they show the earrings that they make out of them, and every time they are just so beautiful. So I was able to snag this pair of earrings, show you what they look like up close. They're just absolutely adorable, handmade. And I tell you, Apple Pay came in clutch. I am not kidding. I checked out with these so fast. I didn't even use the promo code that I had. I was like, I would rather spend $6 more than take the time to go through and add the promo code and then them sell out. So I just bought them super fast. They have such a cute little peachy coloring to them. Okay, next we have an order that I made because of Smoky Glow. She mentioned this brand and how soft their silk was, and I've been meaning to purchase a silk pillowcase just because I hear it's really good for your skin and your hair. And a lot of them come in like a really cute pink shade, and I'm all about the pink. My room is like 50 shades of pink. So the brand is Silken, and I went ahead and got their little like trio set, which had a pillow, an eye cover, and then also a scrunchie as well. So I haven't used everything yet, but I did pull the scrunchie out, and at first I was like, I paid that much for that? Because the scrunchie, I mean, it's soft, but it just, like, it doesn't feel like super luxurious. So I was kind of like, okay, like that was kind of pricey. It's fine, it's fine. I mean, it does say that it is 100% silk, so it's fine, it's fine. Then I pulled out the eye mask and I was like, okay, that is the softest thing I've ever felt in my life. It is like ridiculously soft. It feels so nice, so plush. I've actually never used an eye mask like this to sleep with before, but I do have trouble sleeping, and there is a light that's by my window. I can see it through the blinds, so it annoys me, and I like to constantly toss and turn and like have my blanket halfway over me so that I don't see that light. I thought I may as well go ahead and give this a try. It says that it is pure mulberry silk, and it just feels so good. And then the pillowcase says that it is a grade 22 MoMA silk. I'm guessing that's good. Yeah, I mean, it does feel really soft. I think there's just something about the eye mask. It just feels so plush and soft, but this feels really nice as well. So I'm definitely curious to see if it makes a difference for my hair, for my face. Okay, the next thing I want to throw in really quickly, just in case any of you are in the market for this, I recently picked up some really cute coasters from an Etsy brand called Flowland, I believe. And I'll make sure to link everyone down below, but they are based in the UK and they have really cute coasters and different mouse pads, which I actually am going to order a mouse pad from them because I really like the quality. They're just super, super nice and they smell so good, like, you know, that just like super fresh wood smell. So I specifically picked these up because the design reminds me of my living room rug, and my space is very open, so like the table, the rug, not that far from one another, so I think it's kind of cute to have matching coasters, and I just think that they're really, really nice. So I'm not gonna go on for too long because I don't know how many people really care about coasters, but I really like these and they smell so good. Okay, next I want to talk about a super small brand that is so underrated, that has the cutest jewelry. I only have one piece here, but I have bought another from them that I gave as a gift. So they are called Colorful Blossom, and it says that they are handcrafted in Texas. You guys, you're not ready. Look at how cute this necklace is. The detailing of the little plants and succulents is so, so cute. And I'm gonna leave some pictures on screen of some other jewelry that they have because they really focus on succulents, it seems, and it's just so, so cute, so precious. I don't know. My sister really likes plants and like that's her whole vibe, so I got her a succulent necklace for Christmas and she really loved it. And when I was making the order, of course, I couldn't help but get one myself. I just think that if you're looking for some really unique, cute, dainty jewelry, it's just absolutely adorable. Next, I have some bras that I purchased, and these were specifically because of Sarah Schultze. She actually talked about these in a video that was like products I bought because Instagram wouldn't stop showing me their ads or something along those lines, but then she put it on and she's like, oh yeah, that's the softest bra I've ever felt, and I was sold. So the brand is called Harper Wilde, and they're owned by two different women. I really like a lot of the things that they were doing when I was reading through their website. They actually have a program that if you purchase from them, you can send back some of your used bras. I think it goes up to 6, and they will recycle them for you because you can't really donate used bras. If they get donated, they get thrown away. So it's a really great way to be able to recycle them. It says that they also work with the Girls Inc., which is a program to support mentorship and educational programming for girls aged 6 to 18, and they call it #LiftUpTheLadies, which is super cute. I also talked on their website about how so much of the bra industry is like over-sexualized, and they just wanted to make super high quality comfortable bras. So I went ahead and purchased 2 of them because I was trying to get free shipping, and I think I found a code for 10 or 15% off. So I purchased the Bliss bra in the size medium, and I have the shade beige here, which, I mean, honestly, like when you hold it up, it kind of gives like grandma bra kind of vibes, but I feel like it looks cuter on. And it really is super, super comfortable, and for like having no wire, just being seamless overall, other than like the bottom band, but like all around here, it is very comfortable and supportive. And then I also went ahead and picked up the black one, which is super cute as well, super, super comfortable. And like I said, I know that like just looking at it here, like, I mean, I want to be comfortable, but I also want to be cute at the same time. And I feel like this actually is a good in between. I think that I saved the best for last because this last brand that I purchased from, I am so excited about. I am so in love with my purchase. It's just, I'm so happy about it. So this was another Sarah Schultze inspired purchase, and this was actually one of her subscribers' small business videos. So this is a brand called Tipicotico, and I believe that they ship out of California, but everything is handmade in Guatemala, if I'm getting my information correct. So I went ahead and purchased a bag from them because it was just so cute. I couldn't resist, and it was the last one of this kind on the site. It said there's only one left. I found a coupon code for like 10% off, so I went ahead and did it. This bag, I mean, I'll show it to you in a second. It was like $130, so it's a little bit pricier. It's the second most expensive bag I've ever purchased. But I'm not mad about it because it's so beautiful, it's so unique. I feel like when I start wearing it out, people are gonna be like, where did you get that purse from? So anyways, I just have to start off by saying that the dust bag that it came in is so cute. Like, it even has the little woman there. You guys aren't ready. It is so pretty. Okay, so it is a leather purse and it is so beautiful. It's a crossbody. I love crossbodies. I pretty much exclusively wear crossbodies, especially with a toddler. Like, I just don't have time to not have a purse that's strapped to me. So here is what it looks like. I believe that this is the Floracita purse. I'm not sure if they make more than one of each, so maybe it'll be back on their site eventually, but they have a bunch available. And they make the cutest camera straps, like the cutest camera straps I've ever seen. If I brought my camera places, I would buy their straps because they're so adorable. But I just feel like overall this is so cute, so unique. They had another purse that I really liked and I'm like, maybe I'll get it for my birthday in a few months, but ooh, wait, it's March. My birthday's next month. I didn't even realize that it's so soon. I don't know. Maybe I'll end up purchasing another one, but I think that it's just adorable. They also included a little change purse in the order, which is super, super cute as well. Definitely will be using that. And because I have no self-control, I purchased some scrunchies from them. You don't have a choice for specific colors. I think it was just like a random surprise bundle of 3, but it was $15, $5 for each, which I thought wasn't bad. And I just thought that the patterns and everything were super cute. And I love scrunchies. I have been rocking scrunchies my entire life. I used to get made fun of for wearing scrunchies, and now they're all the rage. So that is everything I wanted to mention today. I feel like we talked about so many great products, so many cool brands. If you have any recommendations for small brands that I should check out, please feel free to leave them in the comment section. Not that I should, but maybe I'll do like a small brand birthday haul. All right, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.